Maintaining oral hygiene shouldn't stop when you leave home. In 2026, the demand for compact dental tech has exploded, and the Synhope mini cordless water flosser is leading the charge for travelers and office professionals. This guide evaluates the best portable oral irrigators on the market, focusing on water pressure performance, battery longevity, and the portability of telescopic designs. Whether you're managing braces on the go or just want a deeper clean between meetings, we found the top mini flossers that deliver full-sized power in a pocket-sized frame.
Exactly. I've got so many thoughts on what happened this week.
It really is shifting daily. I mean, did you see the demo they dropped on Tuesday?
Oh, absolutely. It blew my mind. But it also raised some pretty huge questions about how we define art in the first place.
Right, so let's get right into it because we have a lot to unpack today.
Item number 1, BitFace C6 Water Dental Flosser for Teeth. The BitFace C6 is a powerhouse for those who refuse to sacrifice performance while traveling. What sets the C6 apart in 2026 is its highly customizable pressure system, featuring 3 distinct modes and 5 intensity levels. This allows users to transition from a gentle gum massage to a deep, plaque-blasting clean with ease. It comes generously equipped with 6 jet tips, making it an excellent high-value option for families or individuals who need specialized tips for orthodontic work or periodontal pockets. The build quality is robust, featuring an IPX7 waterproof rating that allows for safe use in the shower, a major convenience for morning routines. The rechargeable battery life is optimized for the modern traveler, lasting weeks on a single charge. Its sleek, ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the water pressure remains consistent even as the reservoir gets low. For a comprehensive oral care solution that fits in a carry-on, the BitFace C6 is a top-tier contender.
Exactly. I've got so many thoughts on what happened this week.
It really is shifting daily. Did you see the demo they dropped on Tuesday?
Oh, absolutely. It blew my mind. But it also raised some pretty huge questions about how we define art in the first place.
Right, so let's get right into it because we have a lot to unpack today.
Product number 2, Awasi Smile Water Flosser for Teeth Cleaning. The Awasi Smile stands out for its impressive 300 milliliter reservoir, which is significantly larger than many other cordless models, allowing for a full 60-second clean without the need for a refill. Its DIY strength mode is a standout feature for 2026, giving users granular control over the water pressure to match their specific comfort level. This makes it particularly brace-friendly, as it can navigate sensitive hardware without causing discomfort. With a 30-day battery life, it is designed for the low-maintenance user. The device includes 4 modes and 5 interchangeable jets, providing versatility for daily care. The Awasi Smile's curved design isn't just aesthetic, it's balanced to prevent hand fatigue during use. For users who find mini tanks too small but still want the freedom of a cordless device, the Awasi Smile strikes the perfect balance between capacity and portability, making it a reliable staple for any bathroom vanity.
Exactly. I've got so many thoughts on what happened this week. It really is shifting daily. Did you see the demo they dropped on Tuesday? Oh, absolutely. It blew my mind. But it also raised some pretty huge questions about how we define art in the first place. Right, so let's get right into it because we have a lot to unpack today. Item number 3, Voyeur Health Portable Water Flosser Cordless. For the true minimalist, the Voyeur Health Mini Flosser utilizes a clever telescopic water tank design that shrinks the device to nearly the size of a smartphone when not in use. Despite its tiny footprint, it delivers surprising power, making it a favorite for 2026 digital nomads and frequent flyers. The telescopic tank is easy to clean and dry, which is a critical factor in preventing mold and bacteria buildup in portable oral irrigators. It maintains an IPX7 waterproof rating, ensuring that the internal electronics stay protected even during a thorough cleaning. While the tank is smaller than full-sized cordless models, its portability is unmatched. It's small enough to fit into a pocket or a small tech pouch. If your primary goal is to maintain oral hygiene at the office or on a plane without carrying a bulky device, the Voyeur Health is the most efficient, space-saving tool on this list.
Exactly. I've got so many thoughts on what happened this week.
It really is shifting daily. Did you see the demo they dropped on Tuesday?
Oh, absolutely. It blew my mind. But it also raised some pretty huge questions about how we define art in the first place.
Right, so let's get right into it because we have a lot to unpack today. Product number 4, Tour-Made Hard Case for Synhope or enpuly Mini Flosser. If you've already invested in a mini flosser like the Synhope or enpuly, the Tour-Made Hard Case is a mechanical necessity for travel. Portable flossers are precision instruments, and a single drop can misalign the motor or crack the water tank. This case is constructed from premium EVA material that is water-resistant, dust-proof, and shock-absorbent. The interior features a soft lining and a mesh pocket to keep your jet tips and charging cables organized and away from the main unit. The sturdy hand strap and smooth 360-degree zipper make it incredibly functional for packing in tight suitcases. It's designed specifically to cradle the telescopic body of mini flossers, ensuring they don't rattle during transit. For content creators and professionals who are constantly on the move in 2026, this case adds a layer of professional protection that extends the life of your device significantly. It is a small investment for long-term peace of mind. Exactly. I've got so many thoughts on what happened this week. It really is shifting daily. I mean, did you see the demo they dropped on Tuesday? Oh, absolutely. It blew my mind. But it also raised some pretty huge questions about how we define art in the first place. Right, so let's get right into it because we have a lot to unpack today.
Producing number 5, Waflu Water Flosser Travel Mini Cordless. The Waflu Mini Flosser is a high-tech marvel that manages to pack 5 different cleaning modes into a telescopic travel body. This level of variety is rare for mini devices, which usually only offer 2 or 3 settings. The 5 modes allow for a truly personalized experience, ranging from soft for sensitive teeth to pulse for gum stimulation. The inclusion of 4 tips and an IPX7 waterproof rating ensures it competes with the big names in the industry. The telescopic tank is designed for quick deployment and easy filling, and the internal storage for the nozzle makes it even more compact. It's the ideal middle ground for someone who wants the ultra portability of the Voyeur, but the very clean modes of the Bitway. For the 2026 consumer who values multifunctionality in a small package, the Waflu provides a high-performing, stylish, and effective way to keep your smile bright while exploring the world. I mean, it really is shifting daily. I mean, did you see the demo they dropped on Tuesday?
In conclusion, the Synhope Mini Cordless Water Flosser and its counterparts prove that you don't need a bulky countertop unit to achieve superior dental health. While the smaller 140ml reservoir may require an extra refill for a deep clean, the trade-off for its ultra-portable telescopic design is well worth it for the frequent traveler. By choosing a device with IPX7 waterproofing and a long-lasting lithium battery, you're investing in a 2026 lifestyle that prioritizes health without sacrificing convenience. Pick the model that best fits your travel routine and keep your smile bright no matter where the journey takes you.
Exactly. I've got so many thoughts on what happened this week. It really is shifting daily. I mean, did you see the demo they dropped on Tuesday?
Oh, absolutely. It blew my mind. But it also raised some pretty huge questions about how we define art in the first place.
Right, so let's get right into it because we have a lot to unpack today.